In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Revolut account to business account. First, a quick but important clarification. You can't convert or link a personal Revolut account to a business account. They're separate products with different rules and features, and for compliance reasons, Revolut keeps them distinct. So if you're trying to switch from personal to business, the path forward is to set up a new business account instead of modifying your existing personal one. Here's the good news. You can create a new Revolut business account even if you already use Revolut personally. In fact, you can open multiple business accounts tied to the same phone number and email address, as long as each account represents a unique legal entity. That means each business needs its own valid registration number. Have that number handy before you begin because it helps speed up the process. Let's walk through where to start. From your Revolut dashboard, go to Home on the main menu. This is your central hub and the place where you'll switch between profiles and manage accounts. If you're on the web, look to the top right corner and click your account name. That opens your profile options, including access to account management. If you're on mobile, tap your profile in the top left corner, then tap your account name to reveal the same account management area on your device. From there, select Add Account. This is the key action that begins the creation of a new profile. Choosing Add Account will prompt Revolut to guide you into setting up a separate account for your business, distinct from your personal one. You'll see options tailored for businesses, and you can follow the on-screen prompts to continue. The app provides clear explanations as you go, and because this is a new account rather than a conversion, your personal details remain separate. A couple of practical tips before you proceed. Make sure your app or browser is up to date so you see the latest interface, including the Add Account option. Keep your business registration details accessible to avoid delays. If you operate more than one company, you can repeat this process for each business. Just remember that each one needs its own unique registration number. Once you've initiated the new business account, you're set to keep your personal finances and your business finances neatly separated, which makes compliance, accounting, and day-to-day management much smoother. That's it. You now know that you can't link personal to business. The correct way is to create a new account and exactly where to find that account on web and mobile to get started.